नमस्कार दोस्तों, माई सेल्फ प्रोफेसर बलविंदर सिंह. I am working in Shri Baba Masnath Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences and Research, Baba Masnath University, Astalbor, Rohtak, Haryana. Today I will discuss with you about Baba Masnath University, a study place par excellence. यानी कि आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे बाबा मसनाथ यूनिवर्सिटी के बारे में, जो कि एक पढ़ाई का केंद्र है और बहुत ही सर्वश्रेष्ठ केंद्र है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, आई एम थैंकफुल टू माई सन मिस्टर आशीष सैनी फॉर टाइप सेटिंग एंड मीडिया रिकॉर्डिंग ऑफ दिस प्रेजेंटेशन. Baba Masnath University is situated on a holy place, land of worship. यानी कि ये श्री बाबा मसनाथ मठ के पावन भूमि पे स्थित है, जहाँ 250 साल से ज़्यादा टाइम से संस्कृत का अध्ययन होता रहा है. जो मॉडर्न चेन है, दैट इज स्टार्टेड विद एस्टेब्लिशमेंट ऑफ आयुर्वेदिक कॉलेज इन 1958 बाय लेट महंत श्रेयोनाथ जी योगी, जो हेल्थ मिनिस्टर भी रहे हैं. ही स्टार्टेड द आयुर्वेदिक कॉलेज इन द फॉन्ड मेमोरी ऑफ हिज गुरु श्री बाबा मसनाथ जी. महंत श्रेयोनाथ जी योगी खुद एक वैद्य भी थे. उन्होंने ये चेन स्टार्ट की, जो मॉडर्न चेन जिसे हम कहेंगे, इन 1958. उसका आगे उनके बाद उनके जो शिष्य थे, हिज डिसाइपल लेट महंत चांदनाथ जी योगी, जो अलवर से एमपी भी रहे, furthered his guru's work and established many educational, engineering, management and paramedical colleges. Late Mahant Channa Ji Yogi established Baba Masnath University in 2012, which is recognized by UGC University Grant Commission in 2016 under Section 2F. Presently, now his disciple Mahant Balaknath Ji Yogi, who is also MP from Alwar, is taking this university to newer heights. More than 5,000 students are studying here. More than 200 faculty members are there. Various courses for undergraduates, postgraduates and PhD programs in more than 15 streams and 10 faculties are running. Let us have a look at the various faculty. Faculty of Ayurveda, Faculty of Physiotherapy, Faculty of Nursing, Faculty of Sciences, Faculty of Pharmacy, Faculty of Humanities, Faculty of Management and Commerce, Faculty of Law, Faculty of Naturopathy and Yogic Sciences and Faculty of Engineering. All these faculty, all these courses are running under the able leadership of the spiritual head Mahant Balaknath Ji Yogi, who is Chancellor of Baba Masnath University and also MP from Alwar. He is a man of knowledge, expertise, and he is taking the university to newer heights. Let us see how. The aim of the university is to develop each student into a complete human being. I will stress, a complete human being. When a student takes admission in Baba Masnath University, what are the various things that the student gets? First of all, the education. The education of the course in which he has taken the admission. All the related knowledge or the education part is well taught by the competent faculties using the technology, today's technology. Now this education nowadays is more bookish, किताबी ज्ञान बन के रह गया है. To make a student complete human being, let us see what are the other things that a student must get besides education with the modern technology. Is the extracurricular development programs, extracurricular activities, proficiency is must. So lot of extracurricular development programs are undergoing in Baba Amarnath University, like sports, indoor and outdoor sports. Stress is given on the sports to take the physical part of the personality of a student. He should be or she should be physically strong. So physical part is taken care with the help of sports. For other extracurricular activities, there are cultural programs like dance, debate, declamation, rangoli contests, song contests. So all these sports and cultural programs, besides studies, what are they going to give to the student? All these activities help in the development of creativity of the student. वो लकीर का फकीर नहीं बनेगा. He will develop his own creativity. That is another feather in the cap of the student. Besides this, stress is given for attachment to and care of nature. Like lot of activities are there, like tree plantation is there, plastic free campus is there, lot of emphasis is given on the cleanliness of the campus. So he is close to the nature. Then stress is given on the discipline. For that NCC wing is there. And discipline is throughout the university, it is well maintained, and stress is given at the college level, at the class level, every level. Discipline is the foremost thing on which stress is given. Besides discipline, stress is also given on the service part. For that NSS unit is there. Service means inculcating the seva bhav in the students and feeling of helping the needy, downtrodden is the need of the hour, and that need of the hour is taken care with NSS wing and inculcating the seva bhav in the students. Then spiritual part is also taught in the university. Like there is 3 days annual mela is there in the Smriti of Baba Amarnath Ji in the Mutt, and other religious functions are also there. So when spiritual part is activated, so this spiritual part will keep the students away from the bad habits. There are so many social evils are there, so he will be away from that social evils because of this spiritual inclination or thinking. So there will be overall development of personality of the student. Now saying is very easy. How this personality development programs, what are the supporting things that the university provides? So let us have a look what the university, how all these things are achieved. First of all, let us see how this is done in Baba Masnath University. All colleges, they are approved by the various regulatory bodies like UGC, AICTE, NCTE, BCI, INC, PCI, CCIM. So when the colleges are approved by the regulatory bodies, the apex bodies, especially the professional course, technical course, so the quality of education automatically goes up. So many features are there, so many requirements are there which are expected by the regulatory bodies before giving the approval. So it improves the quality of education. Second thing, when the pass out student goes in the field, he can practice the professional course that he has passed or he has undertaken the education for that course. So he can practice. Besides approval, Baba Masnath University has a solid infrastructure. Sound infrastructure is there. Well ventilated buildings are there. A big auditorium is there. One small mini auditorium is also there. Every college has separate conference rooms. Smart classrooms are there. Well equipped computer laboratories are there. Then for practical subjects, separate laboratories are there. Proper college wise as well as central library is available, having thousands of books and online facilities are there. Machine rooms are there, workshops are there, tutorial rooms are there. So all these things help in the achievement of the goal of education, technology and extracurricular activities. Coming to the another aspect, that is the security. Being holy place, God's grace is there, प्रभु का आशीर्वाद है. But security guards are there on each entrance gates. Security guards are there who are taking rounds also. Then CCTV cameras are there all across the campus for security. Baba Masnath University campus is eco-friendly. There is plush greenery all over the campus. Big lawns are there, trees are there all over the campus. Plastic free campus is there. So we can say Baba Masnath University is a eco-friendly university. Sports facility is there. There are big outdoor playgrounds like cricket, football, volleyball, basketball. Then there are indoor playgrounds also there, like for badminton, table tennis, lawn tennis, chess. There is separate facility for gym. Baba Masnath University has number of hospitals also. There is one general hospital, then separate Ayurvedic hospital is there, eye hospital is there, physiotherapy special wing is there, dental hospital is there. So that will help in the Ayurvedic college, pharmacy college, physiotherapy college. For accommodation of outstation students, Baba Masnath University has big hostels. Separate boys and girls hostel are there. Large number of rooms are available for their comfortable stay. Cafeteria and other facilities. Hostel has adjoining hostel mess for breakfast, lunch and dinner of the students. Anybody outsider can also have the lunch there, breakfast there or dinner there. In the campus, besides the mess, if the student wants to take anything else, 3 cafeterias are there. Then for the banking needs, 2 banks are there, Punjab National Bank and Canara Bank. 1 post office is there. Then there is 1 free parking space for parking of the vehicles of the students, teaching and non-teaching staff, or the visitors that come to visit the university. Now coming to the teaching faculties. The teaching faculties, mostly they are PhD faculties. Those who are not having PhD, they are doing PhD. All have research experience and aptitudes for research. There are young leaders as deans to lead from the front. All the teaching, non-teaching staff as well as the deans, they are the student friendly. In the teaching also, the teachers uses modern technology to give the best knowledge to their students. In the end, I will suggest you to visit Baba Masnath University, and in case you want any other information, there is a website, that is www.bmu.ac.in, where you will get all the required additional information. Although Baba Masnath University is such a university that time is a large amount of time is required to give complete information. Even then, the complete information cannot be provided, but I have just given you the introduction of the Baba Masnath University. And if you get the chance to visit, please do visit physically or digitally, whatever the way you want. So that's my request to you. So that's all about the Baba Masnath University, a study place par excellence. In the end, I am thankful to my son, Mr. Ashish Saini, for typesetting and media recording of this presentation. Thank you very much. Have a good day.